back with another video. आज चाहिँ हामी अपस्टेट न्युयोर्कमा जाने हो कर्टिस्टन होइन तपाईँले अनि त्यसमा चाहिँ अब अरूको ट्रिपमा चाहिँ बोटिङ स्विमिङ अनि त्यसपछि हामी क्याम्पिङ गर्ने हो फरेस्टमा अनि अहिले हामी जाने हो सब प्याक गरिसक्यो अहिले
पूजा पनि गर्ने
अनि पूजा गर्ने हो धर्मको मेम्बर्सहरूसँग अनि त्यही हो अहिलेको लागि अहिले निस्किनु आयो सामान सबै प्याक गऱ्यो अब
ओके
हाई गाइज अहिले चाहिँ हामी भर्खरै टङ्कीमा यस्तो क्विक ब्रेकफास्ट जस्तै लिन आएको दाइले हेरेँ क्यापुचिनो विथ नो सुगर मैले कपाल अफ डोनट्स दिएको अन द वेमा स्न्याक जस्तै भयो अनि अहिलेको लागि त्यही हो अनि धर्म हाउस गएपछि हामी के फुड प्रिपरेसन गरेपछि अनि त्यही खाने हो लन्च Alright guys, as you can see this is the parking lot, which means we have just arrived. After a 4-hour long drive, we have just arrived. Now, in a short while we'll be meeting with the other guys and from there onwards we'll have our lunch as right now it is about 12:30 p.m. You can see me carrying the luggage, which is food. You can see the other guys have already sat down and started to take out the food, and yeah. Right now we're just greeting greeting them. Now, as you can see, we started eating the food, and after eating our lunch we'll be in a short while resting and then going to the beach. Okay, we just landed in the water. The water was pretty cold, I need to say. I tried to get a swim, but it was just too cold, guys. Now in a short while we'll be kayaking, as you can see. This was actually my first time kayaking. I'd say it was pretty rough at first, but eventually I got the hang of it and it became better. There will be a few stunts. Spoilers. Alright.
One, two, three, sorry. Right.
Look at guys, this is me trying to jump off the boat and trying to do like a jump, as you can see, but couldn't make it though. Couldn't make it. Now, one more time. Better luck next time.
Double boat. So go. Jai Mata ki Jai Kali. No. Hey. Kija? Go there, La. 1, 2, 3 la. Jai Mata ki Jai Kali. Chito. La Titanic sabai timi ho la.
Alright, this is my last attempt. Trying to do the jump. But Luigi, look at that. But anyways, we've just arrived at the monastery, the Goomba. This is just the field. Actually, this land is all owned by the Rinpoche. You can see the tents. Those are the visitors. There are some foreigners right over here. It's not just our group, but there are foreigners. This is just me giving a quick detour of the place. As you can see, there is a lot of people. By judging by the cars, by the amount of cars, and okay, we've come to the main place. So where I was just pointing, that was the kitchen. This is the office. That's where they sell the t-shirts and ornaments. Next to that is the library, and this is the big thing in front of me is actually the shrine, the temple, as you could say. It's like that. Now the house that's barely overseeing that is actually where the Rinpoche lives. It's his house. Now we're just heading just down so we could set up our tents and be ready for the night. Do notice there we are on real grass, so there will be a lot of insects. And I was actually bitten by a tick. And hopefully I didn't get. Hopefully, thank God. As you can see in the far distance, I alone am setting up my own tent. I mean, not my own tent. We three are gonna be staying over there, but I am mainly doing the work. No one's helping me. No matter. But would you look at that? How beautiful my tent is. Now in a while we're going to the pond. So this is the pond. There is a resting place nearby. It's like a hut, mini hut. The pond is actually beautiful. The scenery is just so good. We are now inside the temple or the monastery. So those are the three statues. There are several more gods, but those are like the more important one, I guess. I really don't know. So in a while we're actually gonna pray. So you can see the inside. Oh, I'm sorry guys. Unfortunately I just forgot to take the video of the thing. Like it was some kind of ritual and chanting. I was just so tired and forgot and literally fell asleep. But I'll just tell you what happened in short term. Well, I just went there for a while. Just sat there for like a whole 10 minutes, and while there I made some friends and we just went out and played volleyball. That's it. That's all happened. So that's it. So that's it for the video. For today's video, guys. Hope you like it. Please do share, subscribe, and like the video. Sorry for some missing clips, and I will remember next time to do it properly. But that's it for the video, guys, for today's video. Hope you like it. There will be more videos coming out soon, and stay in tune for that. So bye. Hope you have a great day.